Chinese telecom giant Huawei is pushing forward with plans for its latest generation of flagship phones, the Huawei P40 and P40 Pro. There are also reports of P40 Pro SE and P40 Lite, but we are going to focus only on the main P40 and P40 Pro. Although it's worth noting, just like its predecessor, the upcoming premium phones won't feature Google's suite of services, which includes Google Play Store, Gmail, Google Maps, and so on, nor will it have the full-fledged Google's Android operating system due to the ongoing trade ban with the US. But Huawei has joined forces with Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo to build a challenger to the Google Play Store known as the Global Developer Service Alliance, and it will reportedly launch in March. Coincidentally, this is when they will also unveil the Huawei P40 and P40 Pro in Paris, so a lot will be revealed in March. As for the specs of P40 Pro, we get a 6.5-inch curved display. It will of course be an OLED display with Quad HD Plus resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels, and it will be either 90 or 120Hz refresh rate. We get a pill-shaped dual punch-hole camera, which will reportedly gonna have the ultra-wide angle as well as 3D time-of-flight cameras. There will also be an in-display fingerprint scanner, and all of that will be protected by Gorilla Glass 6. When it comes to the rear of the Huawei P40 Pro, we get a quad camera setup in a rectangular housing. Reports are suggesting that the primary camera is gonna be a 52-megapixel Sony IMX700 sensor. Reports also suggest this new sensor can bring bigger pixels and better low-light image quality. According to known Apple leaker Ming-Chi Kuo, a 10x optical zoom camera could be included as one of the sensors in the P40 Pro's camera system. We are also expecting 20-megapixel ultra-wide and 3D time-of-flight depth sensor. The phone's gonna be powered by the Kirin 990 SoC, which is a 5G compatible chipset. It will come paired with 10 gigs or 12 gigs of RAM, with 128, 256 or 512 gigs of internal storage, which is obviously gonna be UFS 3.0 with options for expanding the storage via SD card. For battery, you can expect a 4500 mAh cell with 45 to 65 watt wired charging. Yes, the leaks are all scattered, so we don't know which one will be used, but if they could use 65 watt, it would be the best. Along with that, they will also use 25 watt wireless charging. And of course, it will be running Android 10 in the form of EMUI 10. Finally, about the standard P40, we don't know much of the specs, but it will have a smaller footprint with flat display of either 6.1 or 6.2 inches OLED display. There will be 3 cameras on the rear, with leaks pointing out that there will be no periscopic and time-of-flight sensor. In addition to that, we can be sure it will offer lower RAM and storage options with Kirin 990 SoC on board. For battery, you can expect a 4200 mAh cell with 40 watt wired charging. So that's the P40 and P40 Pro. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.